It's Lisa from the library. It's been a long time since we've been able to do an art project together at the library, so I thought I would put something together for you to do at home. Hopefully you've picked up your supplies from the Blake Library and you're all ready to go. Our summer reading program theme this year is Imagine Your Story. So think fairy tales, make-believe, castles, mermaids, anything you can imagine. So in that theme, my project today is a fairy house. And every fairy house needs a fairy. This is my fairy, her name is Audrina. And so you have to make your fairy first because the fairy will tell you what kind of a house you're gonna make, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I made mine quickly. But remember that everybody's is different and I want you to use your imagination. And before we start, I wanna say thank you to the Library Foundation of Martin County and Women Supporting the Arts for everything you do to support us here at the library. Okay, so before we start, you might need a couple of things from the house. You might need a paper plate to mix your colors because I've given you red, yellow, blue, and white. You can make every color in the world from these colors. And I gave you some glue, okay? And your paintbrush and a little stick for you to mix. So you can mix your colors on your plate. Make sure you put a newspaper down because this can be a little messy, not just the paint, but this is a little messy. Okay, so you're also probably gonna need some scissors and let's see, I think that's all. Oh, a cup of water, definitely gonna need that. Okay, and maybe a marker or two so you can decorate your fairy. Okay, Audrina, you sit right there and let's make the fairy. Okay, so everything is in this bag that you need. So you're just gonna get your supplies out. Use your glue that I gave you. And you're gonna should have two eyes on it. And you're gonna glue it like this. You can give her a little dress or him a dress, a little hat. And then Audrina wanted blue shoes. So I put blue shoes on her and I gave her a smile. Okay? So whatever you do, make it your own. All right, and now we're on to the fun part. Put this fairy over here. Okay, so this is like a puzzle. You're gonna open up your bag and get your house out. See all these pieces? It looks like a lot, but it's really not, and I'll show you why. The two pieces with the holes on the top, that's your roof. The piece with the writing on the bottom, that's your floor. These pieces are your walls. Okay, so you're gonna have two wiggly pieces and two flat pieces. With the little tab going down, you just put them in like this, this in like this, put the back in. You're just gonna have to play with it. It's kind of fun actually. It's kind of like a puzzle. So put these pieces together and then, yep, just like that. Okay, put all your pieces together and then you're gonna put your two roof pieces together like this. And then this is the bottom. Go right in there like that, okay? When you're all finished with it, with your puzzle, it's gonna look like this, okay? Now if yours is a little different, don't panic. Some of them have a different style and they all come with instructions, and don't get frustrated. Ask a parent or an adult of some kind to help you if you get frustrated. Okay, now this is where you'll get your paintbrush and your paints and you'll mix up your colors and you're gonna paint it all colors. Audrina is a very colorful fairy and so I painted hers all different colors. So I wanted to make orange for my door and so I mixed red and yellow. Okay? So I think you probably know how to mix your colors by now by all the times that we've done art at the library. But I want to tell you also that you can go on a nature walk and pick up things. This is what I did when I was walking with my dog. I picked up some sticks and I used those on the roof and I used it on the front of the house. And I found this really cool air plant. And I'm gonna stick this in the front door here. Now you're gonna have lots of stuff in your bag that I'm gonna give you. And so just use whatever you have in the bag or things you can find around the house or things that you find on your nature walk, okay? And make it your own. Now here's a messy part you're gonna like. So I'm gonna give you some of this moss. So you just take it out can come in all different pieces. You can use your scissors. Use your scissors to cut it up. I put mine on the roof, but you can put yours on the side. You can put it on the front. You can put it wherever you want because it's your fairy house. Okay, so this is a good messy part. Look, that's why I put newspaper down. Okay, so finish decorating it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can paint this before, while it's still like this. Paint all the pieces. That's what I did for this. But you can also put it together like this and then paint it. Your choice, your project. Okay, so then after you paint it, it dries, that's when you decorate it. I think I might use these sticks maybe to make a tree over here. Or you know what else you could do? You could build a front porch like this. There's so many things that you can do, and it's really fun. Use your imagination. Well, have fun with your fairy houses. We would love to see pictures of your masterpieces. So be sure to share your pictures on our Facebook page. Also, don't forget to sign up for Summer Reading Program. You can log all the books you read, and you can win books, and you can keep them. So either sign up on our website through the Beanstalk app, or pick up your paper reading log at one of the libraries. I look forward to seeing you soon. And thanks again, Library Foundation and Women Supporting the Arts, for all that you do. Bye, everyone.